Let's start how to use Oracle Live SQL. We have to go first link we have to use. Then here Live SQL Classic where Oracle Database 19c has given. Just click one time. If you want to try Live SQL V2, you can try it later. You can explore. But for now, start coding, and it will ask you to sign in with your user name and password. This is my email ID. Have to give password. That's it. First time we are going, and we have to accept. Agree. I agree and accept. Here we can start coding. Once you click on start coding, it will take you there. See, now here workspace is opening for practicing the SQL. Here it is asking try live SQL v2. You can explore later, but for now we are not going to explore. And if I expand this one, you can see here my session, schema, quick SQL, my script, my tutorial. Select a star from hr.layers run. Yeah, so now here you can see some data it is showing which is already stored HR dot employees. This is the sample database which is given by the Oracle SQL by default. We can go to my session and what we have run we can check also. See here I have run the query previously viewed utilization analysis previous session, all those things it will give. So later you can come and you can see. That's it.